Good day, and how are you? This is day 70 after day 69 of digging down. Today, we will be digging down deep to install our water well. Since the property does not have access to a water line because they have not been run as of yet in this area, we will be installing a water well for the home as well as water softeners. We are so happy to be breaking ground on the well. Once once you break ground, once you cut the trees, that's one thing. And add fill dirt and all that, that's nice and cute. However, when you break ground to actually do installation for the home, that's a good feeling. For a structure, that's a good feeling. So we are breaking ground and doing the installation of the water well for our water supplies for the home, for all those comfortable whirlpool tub soaks, for all those lovely standing showers, for washing those dishes, for washing those floors, for doing all those wonderful things with water. Why we're installing the septic. The water well. This is W.A. Boykin II, Smart Home New Construction, day 70 of digging down deep and installing the water well. If you would like to speak to us about having some things dug for you, such as your well or septic tank, if you would like to talk to us about perhaps having trees cut on your lot and clearing your lot, or perhaps filling in the dirt for your lot to prepare for build. If you have questions about new construction homes, such as our beautiful Avalon 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,581 square feet, 2 car attached garage with whirlpool jetted tub and standing shower, or if you have interest in maybe a tiny home or a larger home, if you have any questions about your new construction journey, including how we have no earnest money deposit, potentially no earnest money deposit, please give us a call at 1-888-996-6007. That's 1-888-996-6007. Our phone number here is available for you Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to visit one of our thousands of local, national, distributor showrooms, you can go visit us at P is in Port, C is in Charlotte, F is in Florida, home.com. That's PCFhome.com. If you would like to send us an email, you can reach out to us at P as in Port, C as in Charlotte, F as in Florida, home 2023 at gmail.com. That's PCFhome 2023 at gmail.com. We thank you so much for taking your time to listen to us because your time is so precious. We ask that you are also precious and kind to other people. They might not be awake and they may be sleepwalking, so love on them too. Have a good day. Have a good week. Have a good life. This has been W.A. Boykin II, Smart Home New Construction, day 70 of digging down to install the water well. Come home to PCF Home. Take care. Bye bye.